Today we unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is one of the most popular compact cameras for vloggers, travelers, and content creators because it has a built-in gimbal, a rotating screen, and professional-looking video quality in a very small body. In this video, I will show you what is inside the box, my first impression, the basic setup, and a quick test shot. If you're thinking about buying the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, this video will give you a clear first look before you decide. This is not a full review yet. Today is mainly the unboxing, setup, and first impression. I will show you the video quality, stabilization, low light performance, and audio in more detail in another video. The packaging looks very clean and simple, which is what we usually expect from DJI. On the front, we can see the camera itself, and the box already gives us the feeling that this is a compact, creative-focused device. The main reason people are interested in this camera is because it's very small, easy to carry, and has a built-in 3-axis gimbal. That means you can get smooth footage without carrying a separate stabilizer. For creators who make travel videos, daily vlogs, TikToks, Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, or behind-the-scenes content, this kind of camera can be very useful. Wow, it's really small. This is probably the biggest advantage of the Pocket 3. It is compact enough to bring almost everywhere, but it still feels like a serious camera. In the hand, it feels lightweight and comfortable. The design is simple, but it also feels premium. It doesn't feel like a toy, even though it's very small. Now let's check everything inside the box. Inside, we have the DJI Pocket 3 camera. We also have the protective cover, which is important because the gimbal and lens need protection when you're carrying it around. There's also a charging cable, a wrist strap, and some documents. The camera head is protected, and because this has a mechanical gimbal and you do need to be careful with it, I wouldn't just throw it into a bag without protection. If you get the creator combo, you may also get extra accessories like DJI mic, battery handle, mini tripod, and carrying bag. Those are very useful if you want a more complete vlogging setup. And this is the standard version, so the accessories are quite simple but enough to get started. My first impression is that the DJI Pocket 3 feels very practical. It's small, easy to hold, and simple enough for beginners. But at the same time, it has features that more serious creators will appreciate. The rotating screen is one of the best parts. You can rotate to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting. This is really helpful if you create content for different platforms. For example, horizontal video is better for YouTube, while vertical video is better for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Let's compare the size. As you can see, it's much smaller than a phone and much easier to carry than a mirrorless camera or a full camera setup. This is the kind of device you can bring when traveling, walking around the city, filming events, or creating quick social media content. The screen also makes it easy to frame yourself when vlogging. You don't need to guess if your face is in the shot. Now, let's record a short test video. My first impression is very positive. The DJI Pocket 3 is small, lightweight, easy to use, and feels designed for modern content creators. And of course, I still need to test the video quality, audio, battery life, low light performance, and stabilization more seriously before giving a full review. But from this unboxing and first setup, it already feels like a very powerful little camera. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.